Hello everybody, Tom Hiddleston here from the set of Thor 3. Welcome to Loki's dressing room. I've just seen the new emergency lessons video from Ma and Adamah in Guinea. Guinea is a country very dear to my heart because it's the first place I visited with UNICEF to see their work for children in the field. For children in emergencies, school is as vital as food and medicine. In the video from Guinea, they talk about their favourite school activity, which is getting to speak on the local community radio station, and they get to talk about how they learned about hygiene and healthcare and how that helped in the prevention of the spread of Ebola. When I was in Guinea 3 years ago, I was lucky enough to speak on a community radio station very similar to that one. The hashtag is emergency lessons. Share your favorite school activity and help celebrate the importance of education for children in emergencies. My favorite school activity was acting in plays. I'm still doing it for a living, as you can see. The Loki wig is on. He's back. See you soon.